Today we are introducing you to the ShuffleStar product. The ShuffleStar differs from several of the other shufflers as it uses a wheel system that is utilized to deliver a random continuous style of shuffling cards that will be automatically loaded into a dealing shoe. These are the tools you will need to work on your ShuffleStar. A 2mm Allen wrench, a microfiber swab, a chip star key, and the software bundle, which is on a USB drive. If you are required to install the software on a new installation for the ShuffleStar, you would place the USB software bundle into this USB port. The shuffler can shuffle 4 to 8 decks. ShuffleStar can be used for several games such as Blackjack, Baccarat, Spanish 21, Pontoon, and other multi-deck table games. There are dual input and output cameras which allow the shuffler to verify card count and deck composition before and during live gameplay. Poker cards with paper texture are the preferred style of the cards while operating the ShuffleStar. Plastic cards are not recommended as they may be too thick for usage. We are going to take the covers off. You do this by using your 2mm Allen wrench tool, and you remove the 4 screws at the top of the ShuffleStar. There are 2 screws on each side of the ShuffleStar. After you unscrew the side, you lift up the top door and pull out the side door, and you can remove the side of the ShuffleStar. This component is called the input assembly. This assembly accepts and transports cards to the camera speed-up rollers and wheel magazine. Has 3 optic sensors that detects when cards are present in the shuffler. It also contains a roller carriage that lifts up to clean or remove cards that have become jammed. Release the white clamps and pull up on the assembly to access. The next component is the output unit. The output unit contains an adjustable separator to allow one card to be dealt out at a time. The output unit will pivot upward and downward automatically when the output unit stores the maximum amount of cards from the wheel magazine. The main board on the ShuffleStar is located in a cage that requires a key to unlock it. That is door key number 60644, and it's from the Chipper product line. In addition to being the main processor board, other functionality includes some switch and motor operation, display data information, and distributing power throughout the shuffler. This is the input board. It controls and operates the input camera supply and input motors and sensors. This is the output driver board. This board controls the output motors and sensors. This is how you load cards into the ShuffleStar shuffler. After the cards are finished shuffling, they are dealt one at a time and are fed out of the front end output device, as shown. This is the proper procedure to remove cards from a shuffler if the shuffler gets jammed or requires maintenance. You access the cards the following way. You hit unload on the display and then follow the steps. We open the door and we remove the cards manually from the wheel, leaving the wheel inside the shuffler and turning the wheel to remove the cards. After all the cards are removed from the wheel, close the cover, replace the top lid, and then you can manually remove the remaining cards from the front end output device. Once all the cards are removed, the green light will come on to let you know that the shuffler is ready for operation. And that concludes our introduction to the ShuffleStar. Thank you for watching.